Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with worksheet 11, which is about division of fractional numbers. I hope you have gone through the concept of reciprocal because we are going to use reciprocal in this worksheet. Let me take one simple example of division before. Suppose we are dividing 24 with 6. So what do we call this number? Very good, we call this dividend. And what do we call this number? We call it divisor. Okay. So in this also we have dividend and divisor. Let me take one example of fractional numbers. Here I am dividing 5 by 8 by 7. Okay. So in place of by, first of all I am putting division sign. Okay. So this is dividend, this is divisor. So in this what we have to do, we always have to do the reciprocal of the second number, which is our divisor. So here there is no denominator, so we will place 1 here. We will do the reciprocal of 7 by 1. It will become 1 by 7, and we will change the division sign into multiplication. Only 2 steps you need to remember, that change divide into multiply, and second is reciprocal of divisor, means the second number, reciprocal of divisor. This all you have to remember. Now we all know how to solve multiplication. We will check if they are coming into the same table. They are not coming, so we will simply multiply. 5 ones are 5 and 8 sevens are 56. Okay. So I am taking another example from your book. I am taking this C part. Okay. C part is 2 is to 3 by 5 divided by 4. Here we have mixed number. So first we will convert this mixed number into improper. Okay. First we will convert this mixed number into improper. This is mixed number, so first we will convert it into improper. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13. It will become 13 by 5 divided by 4. So what you will do here, again you will put 1 in the denominator and you will change divide into multiply, and reciprocal of 4 by 1. It will become 1 by 4. They are not coming in the same table, so we will directly multiply. For final answer, again you have to check the two things. LT, it should be in the lowest term, and it should be a proper fraction. Here it is already lowest term because they are not coming in the same table, and it is also proper fraction also. Let us take few more examples from the book. I am taking the E part. 20 divided by 3 is to 1 by 3. So we will convert 3 is to 1 by 3 into improper. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3 is our improper fraction. Now what we will do, we will change divide into multiply. 2 steps, and we will convert this number. Okay. Some students make mistake. They see 20 here and they automatically change this number into reciprocal number. But we always have to change the divisor. We can never change the dividend. Okay. Now there is no denominator, so I have put 1 here. They are coming into the same table. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. What is left in the numerator? 2 and 3, and denominator 1 and 1. So my answer is 2 3s are 6. Let us take one more example. Here both are fractional numbers. I am taking I part. Okay, let us take I part. 10 is to 1 by 3 divided by 4 is to 1 by 2. 10 3s are 30 plus 1 31. 31 by 3 divided by 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 2. Again change divide into multiply and reciprocal the second number. It will become 2 by 9. They are not coming in the same table. So 31 2s are 62 and 3 9s are 27. It is not in the it is already in the lowest term as they are not coming in the same table, but it is improper. So we will convert it into mixed number form. 27 2s are 54. I have left with 8. So QRD form, quotient, remainder and denominator. Quotient is 2, remainder is same. Denominator is same and remainder is 8. So my answer is 2 is to 8 by 27. In the similar manner you can do these parts. Okay. So your A, B and last L part will be homework. Homework parts will be A, B and L, and the remaining will be classwork parts. Thank you so much. This is it for today.